Well, this morning Delhi woke up to a very foggy morning. Look at the pictures that have just have been coming in this morning actually of the dense fog in the national capital region. What has this resulted in? Well, a number of things. The flights, as I understand and believe, as my colleague Divya Wadhawa was telling us a short while back, they have been affected. Some have been cancelled. Divya is joining us now for the details on that. Divya, this was expected, a foggy situation, and we are clear about the fact that this is not smog, it's not related to pollution, this is a climate change and this is fog. But give us a sense of the number of flights, if at all, have been affected.
Yes, of course. So 110 flights have been affected, and what we were being told earlier is that these flights have started to take off. But now Jet Airways hasn't taken off any single flight. They were telling me just half an hour ago that they have resumed operations, but again till 11 o'clock, like till about now, they haven't taken off any flights whatsoever. It's only Air India where flights have started to take off, and a couple of flights have taken off since morning. Jet Airways, however, some flight in the morning did manage to land, and that's what we've been told. I had a passenger with me earlier whose flight managed to land at about 8:30 this morning. So flights haven't been taking off at all, be it Indigo or even SpiceJet. I have with me a passenger who has been stranded here since 6 in the morning. Ma'am, have you been here?
Yes, I've been there since 5 in the morning.
So yeah, so your flight was at 6 in the morning?
Yes, that's right. So I was flying Vistara, and the flight was on time, and we were about to board the flight. At 6 we boarded the flight, and then we were made to wait in the flight for about 3 hours. And there was no air conditioning in the flight. We were so frustrated, and not just me, but everybody out there was feeling so chaotic and suffocating that we have to really made a decision to step out of the flight and deboard the plane, and that's the only option we were left with.
So what are the options that they're giving out to you?
Well, they asked us that if you want to deboard, you have to discontinue your flight, and then since there was no surety that it's going to take off in 1 hour, 1.5 hours, we can't be waiting for innumerable hours in the flight without air conditioning. So we just took off.
But you haven't got your baggage back, which is why you're still stranded here, right?
It's very frustrating. We are here since 5, and you can imagine it's been 6 hours at the airport, and our baggage has still not come.
And what you told me earlier is that you left at 3 in the morning from your home to get here.
That's true.
So obviously from 3 in the morning, that makes it 8 hours. This passenger has been stranded. Obviously the inconvenience that she's been going through, many other passengers here, especially other planes that were flying off to Bhopal, they have been in the plane for about 3 hours. They came out as well saying that they'd been stranded for almost 3 hours. So the situation is not just flights taking off to Bombay or to Bhopal, especially the worst ones are the ones taking off to Chandigarh, because the visibility levels there are worse than what they are in Delhi. Now let me just ask the camera person to pan and show you that visibility levels are improving. They were of course nil as far as early morning is concerned. They went down to about under 50 meters, but if the camera person can just pan and show you what it's looking like here at the airport right now, obviously I can see that the visibility levels have improved, and like Jet Airways and other airlines are telling us that they're just waiting for clearances, and that's when the planes will start to take off, and that's expected anytime now. So passengers might face a lot of delay, and this passenger here with me, her flight is 16 on a wait list of 110 flights, which means that she will have to wait it out. That's in case she decides to take her flight to Mumbai, and of course she has work, which is why she's here, and of course she's missed that conference, and so many other passengers here who have faced a lot of inconveniences. This will continue through the day, but the situation is now set to improve.